So here's your Corvette C6 fog light removal. I've elected to just take my wheel off. I think you could probably get at that thing, but it looked a little bit tight. So I've just taken my wheel off, jacked it up, and what you're going to do here is basically just remove each of these clips, and it'll remove this plastic cover, and that should easily get you to the fog light itself. So I'm on the last of my tabs here, and this is how each of these tabs work. You just sort of lift off the inside portion, and that's the last one, and you'll see everything opens up for the assembly. So here we are under the fog light, and you'll see what you're going to do is you're just going to get a hex bit onto 1, 2, 3 screws, and that thing should come out pretty darn easily. So there's our access. This only took about 5 minutes to get here, real simple. So here we go. I've removed the last of the screws in the bottom, and what you'll see here that there's a couple of tabs. This just sort of drops right out, and there's 2 tabs just on the top of this fog light assembly that just click in. So literally what's holding it is those 2 tabs at the top, then 1, 2, 3 screws at the bottom. So there's your fog light assembly. So if you want to remove your side marker, real easy. It just pops in like so. The light bulb just comes out, and then there are just little plastic snap tabs that are holding this thing in, and you just got to put a little bit of outward pressure on the distal one, and then the one toward the back a little, and there we go. So here's your side marker, and you can see that those friction fit tabs are just holding in the side marker.